This is our first adventure since the honeymoon.
We decided to travel 400 miles to North Devon for a weekend away to see family, and where the only real plan is to stuff our faces at a food festival.
Let's go!
2.5 hours and 79 miles later, this could take a while. This adventure started thanks to my cousin Gareth, who was asked to film a food festival. Well, we didn't need much convincing. We're in Devon, that's Gareth, and this is Gareth's van. So we're in a Vauxhall Vivaro. It's been converted quite nicely. After a good catch-up, a quick look at the van, it was time to get back to more important matters, like what was for dinner. The cheating method.
The next morning.
Good morning. Gareth runs NDMI and now Totally Awesome Media as well. NDMI, which is a community interest company, are filming this food festival. The food festival is for Food for Thought. I'm looking forward to getting into this, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it later on.
Made it!
Food for Thought is bringing together young people, food producers and caterers in North Devon to look into aspects of local food production, preparation, and ask how this knowledge can help support food security in creative ways. And where better to do that than the Feast Food Festival at Tapley Park. What did we just buy?
We have a cheese and Marmite boffin, which is part bread, part muffin, and smells delicious. Could do with a bit more Marmite, I think. Not bad for the first of many
Snacks.
And we have bought some cheese straws for snacks on the way home.
I'm gonna do something for you, yeah? I'm gonna put everything in there. They all don't come like this, yeah?
Look at this. What do you think of Monty's mutton?
Do you like Monty's mutton?
Never had a jerk spice burger, but that's very good.
Oh, good.
You get the spice every bite.
Every mouth, every bite.
More comes out. Lime and coconut coleslaw to try. Mate, that's closer to a dessert. That's amazing. 5 stars for Monty's? Everyone agree? 5 stars, Monty's. And rightfully so, this is the queue for Monty's. That was amazing. Amazing.
Amazing.
That's really good. Oh, that's so good. That's my kind of drink.
Ice cream! Tasty.
Oh my god. Nico's ice cream is fantastic.
I think honestly it's one of the best ice creams I've ever had.
We went with lemon meringue and double fudge. I understand why there's a queue,
We've just got back in the car and it's been a pretty awesome day.
but let's hit the road. So obviously at the food festival we did buy a couple of little things. Support the local business, that's the important part, and we recommend that you guys do the same. But we're going to try the cheese straws from Luchos, I believe.
I wish you could smell it.
Yeah, actually it does smell incredible. Cheers. Wow, she went straight in. is a good cheese straw. What's the name of the game? Taste those tasty treats! So we bought 3 sausage rolls, venison and red wine. Can we or something like that? Pork and sweet chili. Oh, okay. That's got a nice kick. That's a spicy sausage roll.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, feeling that.
You can taste the Marmite. That one was good. I had to take a second bite. This is what married life is, right? If I get 2 bites, you get 2 bites. I think if I had to choose a favourite, I'm actually going to go with a Marmite and cheddar. My number 2 would be the chili, and the venison would be third.
The Marmite would probably be my favourite.
And number 2,
Chili.
you basically just copied.
If you get a chance to look up
The Exmoor Feasting Company.
Brilliant sausage rolls. We're past Stonehenge.
About an hour to go.
It's time for
Your favourite game, Taste the Tasty Treats. Oh, look who's turned up for a round of Taste the Tasty Treats.
Ruby likes this game too. It's Milky Bar Cake. Honest?
You go first. Stuff that face.
Oh god, very delicious.
Oh my god, that is fantastic.
Isn't it?
That concludes the last round of
Taste the Tasty Treat.
Nice. Very happy to be home.